Kani gadega Patisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Henne kasngi kalai phau tarik unai weng, ka Kynhun Myntri jong ka sarkar Meghalaya United Alliance 2, kala shong jelang banyakran halor ki artli kimat ki badan kam ban chemrai kerke. Hadin ke jingatai ke belane katu ka nepor, kane ke jelang henne kasngi. Kala pedang ya kabel ban khate no ya Tulop jong ki MLA ki babaros kata ki rengkan ba ka jingyo bat ki Myntri sarkar. Handai leng ba ka jing petarikam no ya ka an ki bathamai. Ki MLA baro kinsya Pynhiar no ka Tulop jong ki ka ban kata hadu prahajar tingka. Leng ba ka ne ka jing Pynhiar Tulop no ya ki MLA na ka ba ki jiyo baros kata. Na ka leng sarkar kala ai daw ba ka long ban kiar na ka jing Pynhiar Tulop ya ki Myntri sarkar. Sa kawai pat kamat kebalai keren henen kasngi kadai halor ke jingkar pat jong ka sokar preng ban thong yo officer on special duty na ka benta ulat ke jela da ubriu ba ka sarkar preng kayamon lang halor ke neru na ka leng ka Kynhun Myntri henne kasngi kala pediang bat Mynjur ya kini ke jing terwa jong ka sarkar preng
because it relates to the bill which is required to be placed before the August House for consideration. You are aware that the winter session is already summoned, and the winter session will start on the 8th of this December. And recently we have had a proposal for the consideration of the cabinet. That was the Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya member salaries and allowances amendment ordinance that is required to be replaced by a regular bill, since we are going to have session. Therefore, this ordinance will have to be replaced by a regular bill for the consideration of the August House. Otherwise, the ordinance will have its natural death. Therefore, the bill has been placed before the cabinet for its consideration. And since it's a actual replacement of the ordinance which has been already notified, through a regular bill, it will be replaced now. Therefore, we have the shortest time required to deliver it on this. Then the next item that has been considered by the cabinet is on the proposal for appointment on contractual basis in respect of Dr. Manoj Sadhwa as an officer on special duty to the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya. So this proposal is prepared based on the request of the Honorable Governor that we would like to have the services of this Dr. Manoj Sadhwa as the OSD to the Governor of Meghalaya with a fixed pay of rupees 50,000. So this has been examined by the government and then therefore placed before the cabinet for its consideration as per the procedure. And cabinet has been pleased to agree to this proposal.